Hey guys, I just want to let y'all know the eprop performed flawlessly. I did a flight and unfortunately my GoPro, the file got corrupted, so I don't have any flying footage, but hopefully we'll do another flight tomorrow. And I'm blown away. I'm getting a higher top speed. The climb rate's about the same, but yeah, it's way more efficient. But yeah, that's all I got to say about that.
And that's all I had to say about that.
It was a little bit windy. It was about 15 mile an hour. It was a little bit bumpy, but not too bad. I'll try to get you some footage tomorrow. There's supposed to be some weather coming in, and I thought the weather was going to come in earlier, but it's not. But anyway, oh yeah, the engine rebuild is good. It's holding up good. I don't have any issues with that. But yeah, I'm blown away. I'm amazed. I'll try to get you some footage out tomorrow. Peace out, y'all.